If you need to get any of the products like the scimitar butcher knife or the butcher block, okay, I'm getting ready to plate up the vegetables. I decided to go with a little more of this balsamic reduction. I really like it. I'm going to put just a little bit around the perimeter like this. And then if you want to get fancy, you can give it a little bit of a zigzag pattern or something. Maybe just a touch more herbs de Provence. Doing a quick flambe. These beautiful steaks, looking good. Brandy. Chef here. So this is just a real quick tribute to Auguste Escoffier. He was considered the chef of chefs, and you see in many of my recipes and videos the proper methods are being used. He helped establish the proper methods. Most of his books and writings were in French. However, they were translated in the early 1900s. Some of them were published in English. Chefs picked up on this and quickly learned. He helped establish the brigade of the kitchen, different positions, as well as basic stocks, soups, sauces, preparations, entrees, vegetables, desserts, courses. Everything required of a chef was pretty much put down on paper by this man. So he was a famous chef, chef's chef. I've cooked with Bocuse. He's the modern day equivalent. And all I can tell you is watch, learn, cook, and you will advance in your career. Keep cooking. Have a beautiful day. If you like the video and you want to see more, share it with your friends. And if you need custom butcher block, counters, tabletops, even this end grain, it's oh so nice to cut on, contact the sponsor. They're having a sale, and I know there's free shipping as well. Yeah, that is the good stuff right there. Have a great day. I wanted to mention this is edge grain maple. The strips of wood run left to right. It's very functional, very nice. This is end grain maple. The pieces of wood are turned in little squares. We also call this checkerboard look. And it maintains it, repels moisture and water. So that's it. These products are in stock at your sponsor, chefdepot.com. Thanks for watching.